Welcome guys. Let's do Bitcoin technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and down targets. Here you can see this is BTC USDT 4-hour pair chart and Bitcoin price currently is at $49,418 right now. It was a big crash and it was very uncertain, but now Bitcoin is at $49,418. What is next resistance and what is next target? Currently it is in this descending broadening wedge. Once it broke this area, it is facing resistance to break this area. Once it broke this area, in that case next target would be this area, but for this it have to wait until it break 50,000 price zone. In that case definitely new rally towards upside will come. If I zoom this, here you can see it can be face resistance at $50,000 price zone to $51,000 price zone. According to this pattern, price can hit this zone. Once it broke this, it can hit this zone, $54,000 $55,000 price area. But for this we have to wait. For this we have to took this tool and we have to measure all targets. Let me please took this tool and let me measure for our targets. Let me please arrange this chart and let me please remove this. Here you can see Bitcoin is facing resistance in between $48,500 to $50,500 price area. Once it broke 50,500, it can broke 0.5 Fibonacci level. In that case, next target is 0.61 Fibonacci level, which is $52,527 price area. And once it broke this area, next target is 0.78, which is 55,000 price area. But if Bitcoin rejected from this zone, then there is a strong spot is at $48,500 price area. And once Bitcoin, if unfortunately broke this, in that case 46,000 will be the next target. We have to wait until it broke $50,500 price area. Once it broke this area, in that case 52,500 is our next target. And if it rejected from this zone, then 48,500 is a strong spot. After that, next spot is $46,000 price area, and it is a good spot. Let me please show you volume. Unfortunately, volume is missing. We need strong volume confirmation. EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and that is not a good sign. And let me please show you RSI. RSI is below 30, below 40, and it is very bearish. It have to cross towards upside. MACD crossover is towards the upside is about to happen. Once it cross it, in that case definitely price will go up. Let me please show you my second chart. Please note down these targets. If Bitcoin broke $50,500 price area, next target is $52,500 price area. And if Bitcoin rejected from this zone, next spot is $48,000 and $46,000 price area. Let me please show you second chart. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see it is facing resistance to break this zone. Once it broke this is daily chart. In that case, our next target will be according to this spot, and resistance may be like this, and it can hit $55,000 price area. Sorry, $55,800 price area. And if it rejected from this zone, then next spot is at $46,500 price area. This area is next big spot. $46,800 to $46,500 price area. These are weekly level, weekly spot and these are daily spot and resistance levels. Please note down these levels. And let me please show you next Fibonacci levels to trade. According to the Fibonacci, let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see it is struggling hard to break this area. It is in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is $52,000 price area. Once it broke this 0.38 $52,000 price area, in that case next area is $55,000, which is 0.5 Fibonacci level. After that this area 0.61, and after that this area 0.65, which is $59,000 price area. Note down these targets. If Bitcoin price break this resistance of $49,500 to $50,000 price area, in that case next target is $52,000 price area in daily chart, and after that 55,500 and 58,500, and if it rejected from this zone, next support is at $48,000 price area. It is a strong support. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is CPR indicator. And here you can see these yellow lines are main CPR lines, and candles broke this main CPR bearish zone, and after that second main CPR bearish zone. Now it is trying hard to break this area, which is very strong bearish zone, $50,500 price area. Once it break this, in that case next target according to the CPR indicator is $58,000, but for this it have to break this area, $50,500 price area. Once it broke this, it can turn into support area. Let me please show you next target. This is weekly chart, and in weekly it is at $49,452 price area, and we have to calculate Fibonacci levels. Let me please calculate Fibonacci level according to the support and Fibonacci level. Let me please show you next levels to trade. Let me please zoom this and let me please show you. Here you can see it is in between 0.23 to 0.38 Fibonacci level. Once it broke this area, $52,900 price area. After that next is 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $56,000 price area. After that 0.61, which is $59,300 price area, and after that 0.78, which is $63,800 price area. And if it rejected from this zone, major support is at $48,000 price area, $48,900 price area. These are CPR levels to trade. Note down these levels. This is my technical analysis, guys. You have to note down these levels. In 4 hourly, over next level it have to hit is 50,500, and after that 52,500. In daily, it have next level it have to hit $50,500. After that next zone is this area, $58,000 according to this monthly CPR. And once it broke according to this Fibonacci level, this area $50,000 price area, next area is this area, $52,000 price area. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your crypto friends and community. And if you want to get these bounces, $9,180 bounces of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or comment section, where you can get these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free, and these are tradable bounces. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.